National Museum guys, Daraga Albay. Ang ganda. Ano ba namin? Sa lilim. Pre, ano, ayaw mong pumasok sa loob? Naka-video ka, pre. Okay, sige. Welcome. Yes, sir. Good morning. Wala ko ng video sa loob, guys. Kaya dito lang sa labas. Yes guys, we are here in Daraga National Museum of Bicol. Yeah. The indoor exhibition entitled Bicolandia, Land of Volcanoes. Oh my gosh. Includes 4 permanent galleries with creatively curated displays of botanical, zoological, and geological specimens representing the region's unique natural history. Yes guys, the exhibition highlights the volcanoes in the region, where students and guests can closely study how these mountains of lava were formed. Wow! Isa ito sa mga napansin namin, no, napakaganda ng pagkaka-print ba ito, or what do you call this volcano, na as in maganda siya guys, yan, no? Shining, yeah, with this perfect cone. Yes guys, National Museum of the Philippines Bicol region encourage local and foreign tourists visiting Albay to experience the natural history museum with indoor and outdoor exhibitions about Bicol's natural heritages. Yeah. Wow. Yes, we consider our visit of the National Museum of the Philippines Bicol one of the most beautiful museum, I would say, yeah, with its staff, accommodating, and yeah, the vicinity is clean and well maintained. Yes guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next episodes. Bye. Bye bye guys. Love you people.